masks, and here they are. I'm going to start off with the masks here. I'm going to start off with these. These are just ones that I have around. This is a Java V-Type. I don't really use it at all. It's kind of like an extra one. Next, here, got this JT full head protection. I don't really use that anyways. This was my first one that I got. Yeah, next I have the Full Head Pro, which is better. It's a lot nicer, but I mean, don't really use it that much, but it's got really good protection everywhere. And then here I'm going to be doing my mask that I actually use, which is this one right here, the vents. Very nice. I have this tinted lens in the clear. I like this one. And then next I got my Force, which is the one that I use. I do have a smaller head, so I usually wear this one. HD lens. Pretty nice. I like it a lot. Yeah. And so these are my masks. There's 5 of them. And yeah, my next review is gonna be on the, I'm not sure. Whatever. So that's just about it. If you have any questions, just comment. And if you subscribe to me, I'll subscribe to you. So, that's just about it. Okay.